Kaylee.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it
So now I have dinner all prepared for tomorrow night, which is night before travel day and travel day night. Already dishes will have been done and food is cooked, and I will separate it into these two containers when it cools off a little bit. And I won't have to worry about really cooking. All I got to do is warm it up, and we like it better warmed up anyway. It's macaroni and cheese with chicken in it. And then something that we don't do is pour any kind of food liquid down our drain in the sink. So I save old jars, and that's where I will pour my food water. If it's a vegetable from out of the can, I'll pour it outside, but this is pasta water, so I will just pour it in there. I'll wait till that cools off before I tighten the lid. And I'll wipe that out, and I don't have to worry about anything down the drain. Same thing with the chicken grease. That will go in here too. And then I'll just close that up, put it in a couple of baggies, and throw it in the trash. No food down the drain. So while boondocking, we try to conserve as much water as possible, obviously. And cleaning up dishes, I just warmed up some pizza in this pan. I use vinegar, white vinegar. I add a little bit of water, but you can use it straight. And then I will just spray in the pan, wipe it out with paper towel. I'll do one more rinse, one more spray, and really scrub it down. See, it's clean. And then I will take, this is just plain water, and I'll spritz it, and then I've got a washcloth that I kind of use to dry it and wipe it out. You don't have to do that, but I kind of like to, especially on cooking stuff, because you heat it up with the vinegar on it, it might kind of taste vinegary, and the lid really didn't get used. but I will wipe it off just in case. And then I can just put it away, and look at how minimal of water that took. And it's really easy with pans and plates. Usually boondocking we use paper plates anyway, but here are the plates that we use for our pizza. So I'll just spritz them. This was just used for the pan. So it's simple as that. And the white vinegar cuts through grease and it sanitizes. And it's awesome. So easy and such minimal water. Then just put it away. It's one way to save water while you're boondocking. It is a beautiful, lovely day. Look at those pretty clouds. Aren't they cool? Little wispy clouds. It's lovely out here in the desert. We are headed to town to go get us some Mexico money. And what do we mean by that? We're going to Mexico tomorrow. We want to have some lunch money. So we need to go get cash. Cash is king in Los Algodones.
Lunch money?
Lunch money. We have to go get some lunch money. Because we're going to go to Mocha's tomorrow.
So we're getting mocha money.
Yeah, we're getting mocha money. Yeah. So we're going to head over there tomorrow. But today we need to go get some cash in town. So they don't have our bank here in Yuma. So what we do is we just go to Walmart, buy something, and get cash over. And that just works for us. But it's a very nice day. What's it supposed to be today? Hot.
82 and sunny.
Hot.
Woohoo!
It's hot for Lori.
And
Tom's
no
excited.
wind.
Shh. Oh my gosh, shush, shush, shush. Knock on wood, shush. Shush, shush, shush. It is thinning out. There's been a lot of people up here and it's thinning out.
What do you got? We're out for a walk in the desert.
Yeah, we're just picking up as big of rocks as we can find to help keep our mat from blowing away. And there aren't very many big ones around here, but I just dug this one up. And look at, it's an alien rock. Look.
No.
Well, you called it an alien egg.
It's an alien egg. I've seen those before.
Yeah. I know what's inside.
Alien.
I know, but what kind of alien? All right, David. We're going to bust this open for you. If we can. I might not have a strong enough hammer. I really kind of hate to. It's really cool. But let's give it a try. So the only thing that's really a solid surface that's sturdy enough is this small sledgehammer. We used to have our big one in here, but we don't carry it anymore. And then I'm going to use this one. So we'll see. I'm going to use this side. See if it does anything. All right. Oops, it's not going to stay there.
It's an alien egg.
It's an alien egg. We're going to bust open the alien.
Got.
Hope not. Okay. I don't know where to hit it. Probably right. Let's try here. I don't think it's going to do anything. 1, 2, 3. It's going to take several.
Notice we're both wearing safety goggles.
Yeah. No.
That's one hard egg. It must be hard boiled.
Must be. I don't think this is going to do it.
I don't either.
We're just barely chipping at it. All right, it's a big egg. Let's try a smaller one.
Sorry.
Let's try a smaller one. I'll do this. Nope. Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh.
It's gonna hit the camera. Yeah, just little chunks are breaking off. Nope, this isn't going to do it. If we had the great big hammer and we had our rock and quartzite, we might be able to do it. Ooh, maybe we should get that railroad spike out. Like,
Remember, don't try this at home. We're professionals.
that's crazy.
Oh, well. It was a gallant effort.
Yeah, nothing. Little chips are peeling off of it.
One more time.
More chips. Ooh, this
Oh,
is a
look.
big chunk that chipped off of it.
Is
That's
that $1 million
crazy.
piece?
I doubt it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. We're
Oh,
probably-
well. One more hit.
One more.
Ooh.
Some of it went under the trailer. Chunk went over there.
Here's a chunk.
Yep.
Yep. Not what we thought. No aliens today.
Oh, there's like a crystal-y in there. Wonder what this piece is. Crazy.
I have rock chips on my glasses.
I'll bet. There's a shell, a casing that came off the outside of it.
No baby aliens?
I don't know. Could have escaped. One of the one of the things, or it's in here somewhere. Yeah, that goes together like that. Now, where does this casing go? This here. Probably over here.
Oh, did you break it apart just to see if you could put it back together?
Yes, it's a puzzle. Look at this. Oh, there, that piece went back there.
Oh my God.
How about this one? Oh, this is fun.
Look at you.
Maybe. Oh, did I find it? Nope, it doesn't go that way. Over here? Well, there it is.
Oh my gosh.
There it is. Let's see. Now we're getting to the tiny pieces. Those will be more difficult.
You are one crazy human.
Oh, there. That one fit there. This one probably fits over here. I don't know. I'm getting to the point where I'm having to hold it together. Well, that goes under something.
You've lost your rocks.
Yeah. My marbles, too.
Well, there you go. So, that was fun.
Yeah. I've got another one here.
That was, I think I've seen enough rock pounding today.
No, you haven't.
Oh, no.
Here we go. Watch out.
All right.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm not sure I want to crunch this one.
Why?
Well, because look at this ridge here. It's like there's a fossil in there.
Ooh, maybe we wake it up.
Uh-oh. Is that anything like what's underneath the permafrost?
So you're going to really do it?
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe not.
Okay. Well, there you go.
It'll go in my rock pile. And no, I'm not keeping these. It's going in my little pile of rocks over
No,
there.
she is not keeping these. There is no way. We're hauling these all the way back north. Not going to happen.
I might try and sell the puzzle.
Ugh. All right. I think that's the topper for this one. Now, that's a What Up Wednesday for you. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. The thumbs up really does help the channel. So make sure you give us a thumbs up. Heck, put both of them up there if you want to. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it.